I'm Orrie Milberger, and I'm taking the Speech 111 class. This is my informative speech, and my specific purpose is to inform you about Coca-Cola. The refreshing taste of an ice-cold Coca-Cola. From the bittersweet taste to the smooth burning sensation, and even to the crush of the can being smashed shortly after drinking this bittersweet delight. But what do you know about Coca-Cola? Its past is unmapped, its presence unclear, and its future is unknown. So today, let's take a look at Coca-Cola's past, present, future. And let's start by starting where all great stories start. In the beginning. In 1886, Coca-Cola was created by Dr. John S. Pemberton in Atlanta, Georgia, in his backyard, in a three-legged kennel, says Mary Bellis from About.com's The History of Coca-Cola. She also tells us that Pemberton created his drink as an elixir and sold it in his pharmacy for less than 2 cents a cup, and averaging 9 cups a day, making $50 his first year out, but suffered a loss when he actually spent $70 his first year, losing $20 overall. But although Dr. Pemberton created this soft drink, he did not create the name. Actually, Mary Bellis also tells us that it was indeed Franklin Robinson, Mr. Stice's bookkeeper, that created the Coca-Cola insignia. His magnificent writing led to creating this name being seen on their starting bottles like this, and even being seen today on their cans, such as today's can, like this. Also, Coca-Cola, being created as it was, got its name from what's actually in Coca-Cola. You guessed it, 60 milligrams of cocaine, enticing your every well-being and loving every bit of this soft drink, also making it a great healing substance for mild migraines. But now that we've mapped out Coca-Cola's past, let's clear up some of Coca-Cola's present aspects as we view Coca-Cola's present. Today, Coca-Cola reaches over 195 countries, says the Coca-Cola-Company.com. The history of bottling from 2006 to 2011. These countries are located in Asia, Africa, America, and South America. But how do they do it? How do they still entice us today? Well, the EpicWeird.com, dated March 22nd, 2011, says that it's probably, they think it could be the 60 milligrams of cocaine that was once in it. But the new scientists said on July 1st, 2011, when they asked this question, that most likely is caffeine. Because although cocaine was addictive, it was also banned in 1914 and illegalized, leading way to another enticing but legal drug. This drug can be found in Coca-Cola's Diet Coke, Coke Original, and even Coke Zero, enticing your every well-being. Also being sold every Christmas, showing that it truly can be advertised as many different ways as possible. You see this in the winter when you turn on the TV, when Santa Claus is drinking this delicious drink, and those polar bears, loving that Coca-Cola. But now that we've seen what Coca-Cola is doing today, cleared up those current, present aspects, let's move on to Coca-Cola's what could be the future of Coca-Cola. Now, the future is unknown for most, but we surely can make pokes and pride at what may come of it, Coca-Cola. NorthlandCC.UK says that Coca-Cola could go into an obese society after showing that in 1980, children between 6 and 11 drank 15 ounces of soda a day. And even toddlers, on average, drank 7 ounces a day. And this only grew over the years. And it will continue to grow. So, if we start at 7, could we indeed be going into the 30s and 40s of ounces a day? Of course, this is only a 12-ounce can, and a 20-ounce bottle is only that much more. But could we be addicting everybody? Or could we be, in fact, leading into the freestyle machine, like Asylum says? This machine says that you can get any type of Coca-Cola that you want, even types that are unbottled. YouTube's The Freestyle Machine shows us also how this machine works. It has an ice machine button to give you what you want. But then you press this lever and you get Coke and all the other Coke products, even ones that aren't bottled. Amazing. Making it full circle, we see that the Coke machine started out as a rounded shape, went to a square box shape, and slightly made its way back to that rounded shape. And although this pop machine has been debuted in 2010 in Southern California, it really hasn't hit the market yet. So, in the near future, we could be leading into Coca-Cola's future aspects. And now that we've viewed Coca-Cola's past, Coca-Cola's present, and Coca-Cola's future, we can now safely say that Coca-Cola is a very well-loved soft drink, and it is so delicious. So the next time you hear that pop of the can lid and the I hope you can tell yourself, I'm glad I chose this Coca-Cola.